Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 10. Or here we can write 2 cube because 2 cube are same as same 8 whole to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 10. Or we know a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n whole to the power m. Apply this rule here. We can write 2 to the power x whole to the power 3 plus 2 to the power x is equal to 10. Or now let the substituted value 2 to the power x is equal to y. So our equation will be y cube plus y is equal to 10. Or taking this 10 to left side, we will get y cube plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Or y cube plus y. Now attention here, the nearest cubic number of 10 is 8, so here we can write negative 8 negative 2 is equal to 0. Or rearranging left side, we can write here y cube minus 8 plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Or y cube minus 8, that means 2 cube, plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Or we know a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square minus ab plus b square. Apply this rule here. We can write y minus 2 times y square plus y times 2 plus 2 square, and taking common 1 to last two term, we will get 1 times 2 y minus 2 is equal to 0. Or now taking common y minus 2, here we can write y minus 2 bracket y square plus 2 times y 2y plus 2 square, that means 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Or y minus 2 times y square plus 2y plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 is equal to 0. Now we can write here y minus 2 is equal to 0, or y square plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Or taking this negative 2 to right side, we will get y is equal to positive 2, and here we can apply discriminant formula. So del is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 5. So del is equal to b square, that means 2 square, minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means 5, is equal to 4 minus 4 times 1 times 5 is equal to 20, is equal to negative 16. Now attention here, negative 16 is less than 0, so here are no real solution. Now y is equal to 2, but remember, let 2 to the power x is equal to y, so we can write here 2 to the power x is equal to 2, or 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 1, because 2 to the power 1 are same as same 2, or they are same base but different powers, so x is equal to 1. Finally the value of x is equal to 1. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.